perspective is also going to be same. BJP's the thorough planning, proper professional approach, right selection of candidates, and fractured opposition is going to be the key for the upcoming elections. If you ask me, BJP of course will have upper hand. There is no doubt about it. In spite of being in power for last 15 years, अशी anti-incumbency असे दिसना. Now, Sujay Bap brought
you don't see anti-incumbency?
I don't see at all. On the contrary, I see a lethargy in opposition. They are dragging their legs almost on every issues. There are so many issues which really can be taken to streets.
I can see
in fact, more than the failure of government, it is the failure of the opposition that you see on many of the issues. One thing I would like to now these all land related issues, all these issues are very important. But from 2001 to 2000 now, whatever I have seen that land related conversion was an issue in 2001 also. Subsequent बाबूस बिगूस झालं, त्याच्यावर भयंकर एलिगेशन झाले. Thereafter BJP government आले, परत एलिगेशन झाले. पण not once has he lost election. So these land related issues do not percolate in terms of change of voting.
Do not translate into anti-incumbency.
And neither anti-incumbency, neither electorally. These are electorally.
But
these are very important issues. That doesn't mean that these are very.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.